workshop. So thank you for having a great room for the workshop. Thank you, Orange folks, to planning this great event. And so before the meeting, so we'd like to ask the IPR, ETSI IPR and antitrust and competition codes. So please see the text for the IPR disclosures and antitrust competition rule. So if you have any objection remarks, please raise your hand. So this is a traditional way, but you know, this is ETSI NFV event. So we need to call this IPR policy in this beginning. So I see them. So we'd like to start the meeting. And so as you know, the Telco
will now be recorded.
Telco is getting interested in how to evolve the infrastructure to be a cloud native. And today we have a big operators representative to show their views and futures for the Telco Cloud Native realizations. So you can see the many big names, and we are very honored to see the great presentation from the many operators. And first, I'd like to thank you for the great participation today. And this is a workshop agenda. We have a keynote from James from Omedia. So he will present the overview of the cloud native and what is the issues and the challenges for the cloud native realizations. Of course, I'm in the NFV chairs, and we are trying to standardize the interfaces and the information model for the cloud. And we invite the Orange, TIM, Telefonica, and Deutsche Telekom, China Mobile, and Docomo, and last the Elephant. So I think we expect a great discussion today. And please, if you have any questions, please ask to the presentators. Thank you.